In this video, we will go over the answer and explanation to the remove linked list elements coding exercise. Inside of our remove elements function, we will have a list node pointer named result head, which will point to the head of the linked list that we will be returning from the function. Then we will have a list node pointer named prior node, which will keep track of the last element we looked at. If head is null, we will return null. Next, we will set result head to head and prior node to head. While head is not null, we will check if the value of result head is equal to the val we need to delete, and check if head's next value is not null. If so, we will set result head equal to head's next value. If head's value is equal to the val we need to delete, then we will set prior node's next value equal to head's next value. Else, we will set prior node equal to head. At the bottom of the while loop, outside of the conditional if-else logic, we will set head equal to head's next value, moving the pointer forward to the next node after each iteration of the while loop. Outside of the while loop, we will check if result head's value is equal to a val we need to delete, and if so, we will return null. At the bottom of the function, we will return result head. When we run the code to check our solution, notice that it is correct.